Parrot ASTEROID also has a very interesting application: Orange Liveradio. I can use it to listen to thousands of radio stations and podcasts worldwide, in digital quality as well. For instance, I want to listen to a foreign radio station online. I choose this station, I listen to it immediately, and I can also add it to my favorites so that I can access it more easily. Information about the presenters appears on the screen, along with titles of the tracks played. So, now I can access not only my traditional FM radio stations, but international stations too, in digital quality.